Hi, it's September 16th, 10:39 a.m. It's Cooking with Coach Rob, and
Shannon.
it's episode 2 of season 2, 2018. I think it's the 7th episode overall. What we're going to do is we're going to make French toast today. Okay, so what we're going to do is we have our toast here, right? We are going to make some bacon, the leftover bacon from the liver and onions episode. So we're just going to pop that back in the fridge for now. Right, so it's back in the fridge, and I've looked at a lot of recipes online, and we're going to do one that we sort of followed. Now, we don't have the cinnamon, but we do have some sugar, which we'll grab in a sec. It's on the table. So we're going to have four pieces of toast all together, right? So this guy said to use 4 eggs, right, like one per thing. So that's just to put the eggshells in, and we got no eggshells. So you want 4 eggs in there, 1 per toast. You see why in a sec, like these are toast will absorb it all. Oh. We're just going to move this here off camera, do a quick wash of the hands. And he said to put milk in, one of the recipes I looked at said to put milk on, I think it was a tablespoon per egg. So what we're going to do is we got our milk here. We're just going to put, well, that much. That might have been too much, but that's alright. What we're going to do is we'll put the milk in there. We're going to put the eggs, and we just do need to take a quick break here so I can grab the sugar. The sugar's off camera.
You're on.
Okay, what we've done now is we've got our bacon ready. We're going to cheat this episode. We're going to do it in the microwave. So we got our Kenmore above range microwave here. We will put the lid on it, right? And I'm going to try it off at first for about, we're going to go 340 at high, and we can check on it. Then as you can see, we got our egg and milk mixture here. And the recipes I've seen online says to use a bit of cinnamon, but I don't have any cinnamon. But we're just going to put like a bit of sugar in, like, right, we're not going to put too much, and maybe about like that, like, put that back over here. And we've got our rival grill heating up. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put our whisk over here, of course. We're going to get our white toast here, our white bread. You got we're going to put 4 pieces in. We might have to do it. I'm going to try to get them all in at once, so that's not the right. What we're going to do is we're going to cheat a little here. We're going to hang on here. We're going to dip our egg in here, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to get, I'm just sort of doing this on the fly here, because he says to really absorb the egg in each piece of toast, right? He said you got to have at least 20 seconds each piece, because you want all that egg and mixture to mix into the toast. So we'll sort of time it on the watch here. We'll get the watch on. We'll time it because this is a crucial step. Oh. So that's probably good for that one, soaking in the We're going to take a break for a sec here.
You're on.
As you can see, we're back. We're just doing our last piece of toast. I am going to check the bacon. Right, it just went off. Right, and the bacon. Can you zoom in there?
Yep.
I think we're going to do it another minute, or we're doing another, say, 45 seconds. Now we're just finishing off our toast here. Now we did have to put one more egg in there and a bit more milk. It wasn't quite enough. But as you can see, it really soaks it up. So that's really soaking it up in that toast. Whoops. So what we're going to do now is we'll put this one on the grill and we'll grab the other ones. And our grill here is just there. And we're going to cook that for a couple minutes aside. I'm just going to check the setting here on the heat. I can't quite see it. Yeah, you're supposed to have it on about 25%. So we've got that on. We're going to let that sit. Then we'll come back and let you know how it is. Oh, here, okay.
Okay.
See, we had a bit of a minor hookup, well, major hookup. When I put the toast on the grill, I forgot to spray the pan. Even though it's a non-stick pan, you should still spray it. So we're going to see how it's going to turn out. They might be a bit all mixed up, but that's okay, because we all learn from our mistakes. And the bacon is over here. The bacon does look not too bad for being done in the microwave.
That looks good.
So what we're going to do is we're going to show you that we have our syrup ready. This is this no-name syrup, but if you ever get the opportunity to try the real deal, the maple syrup from Canada, it's great. So we'll take another quick break, and when these are all done, we'll show you the finished product. As you can see, we had a bit of a minor screw up with but it turned out not too bad. So what we're going to do now is we're going to grab a plate here. We're going to plate one up for you. So we're going to put that on the plate. And we're going to carefully put that there. We're going to go over here and we're going to get, and in a sec we'll come back and we'll show you the bacon on the plate. And we got our finished product, the French toast with the bacon. The bacon did shrivel up a bit more than normal, but it's still good bacon. And we got our syrup here. And this is for our camera person, Shannon. So enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
And until next episode, happy eating.